we went to Daytona, and while we were at Daytona at the bike week, we went and got the Ultimate Seat at the Ultimate Seat trailer. So it arrived today, so we're going to open this up and see what it looks like from Ultimate. So we're going to open it up. And my helper. Let's see. Here we have. So we have the rain cover installation paperwork, so that way we know how to put that on. Oh, look at all this good stuff in here. We have the backrest, fully retractable. We have the rain cover. And we have the seat. Look at that. Nice. Alright, so we're gonna install the seat. First we gotta remove the old seat. This is a stock seat on a 2015 Harley Davidson Limited. So basically there's a screw back here that you turn. We'll remove the screw, which basically is the only thing that holds the seat on. This will slide back, and your seat is now removed. We will get our brand new Ultimate seat. Look at that baby. You can see on the bottom here, it's got where it's going to slide on, and your mount for the one screw. So we will slide this up in here. Make sure it's good and snug. And then you go back a little now. Okay, so we'll just finish screwing this on here and tightening it up. Make sure it's good and snug. And now, your seat part is installed. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put the backrest on, and we'll show you how that is. Just lift the little Velcro cover on. Make sure you get it in there. Install it all the way. And now you'll see it's in there. It goes back. There's also a little knob right here that you could turn to adjust your backrest so it'll be either forward or aft. And that way you can get the comfort for you. And just remember, when you put it down, so your passenger can get in and out, or you can get on. It also has this little Velcro pouch that easily comes off. It has a little nice zipper, so you can put things on, take it with you when you leave the bike if you need to, or you have it on there so your passenger can have some things with them as they ride along and make it more comfortable and more enjoyable. Alright, that's the Ultimate seat. We have a pouch for the back. You can see that this Ultimate seat, it goes a little further in the back for your comfort of your rider, your passenger. And then for the rider themselves, you can either put this down or lift it up. And then you're on your bike. Oh yeah. Much nicer. Backrest so you can get back. And there you have it, the Ultimate seat. We'll demo it, and then we'll give you further updates. Thank you very much for watching.